So nothing. We knew that Nothing and Nothing developers have been working on a new OS version for the Nothing phones, whether it's Nothing Phone 1, which is kind of getting a little long in the tooth now, but more specifically the Nothing Phone 2, Nothing Phone 2A, Nothing Phone 2A Plus, even the CMF Phone 1. Everybody's kind of waiting on this new Nothing OS 3.0, right? It's based on Android 15. As you know, Android 15 is going to be released here, I think, in a couple weeks. So we're all kind of just waiting. We've seen some hints. We've seen some teasers online when it comes to this new Nothing OS. And Nothing Phone 2A users, today is a great day for you if you own the Nothing Phone 2A, not the Plus, but the 2A, right? My favorite phone. Today, Nothing announced the unveiling of the Nothing Phone 2A's Nothing OS 3.0 beta is available for download and testing. So let's get into what this upgrade should entail. Now, real quick, if you're watching this after this video, I'm going to shoot a video, an uploaded video showing you how to download it, how to install it, and it's not a traditional, you can't just go to the settings and check for update. That's not how you do it. But make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to cover everything when it comes to this Nothing OS 3.0 beta software. Again, right after this is done, I'm going to record how to download and install the beta on your Nothing Phone 2A. So let's see here. Let me bring this up. Nothing OS 3.0 open beta. So this is, and I'll put this link in the video as well so you can check out this website. It's not there now, but I'll do it as soon as this is done. Introducing Nothing OS 3.0. The software we've always wanted to make is finally ready to show. Before its general release, so the stable release is set to be unveiled in December, we're running our open beta testing program. This is your chance to experience Nothing OS 3.0 first, including an exclusive preview of Android 15 on your Nothing Phone 2A. Here's what the update includes. Lock screen. New lock screen customization page accessed by long pressing the lock screen. Upgraded clock faces. Choose your favorite style. Expanded widget space, allowing you to place more widgets on your lock screen. You're also getting a smart drawer. Added AI-powered smart drawer feature to automatically categorize your apps into folders for better organization and easy access. And also in Smart Drawer, ultimate convenience, you can now pin your favorite apps to the top of the app drawer. No scrolling required. I am gonna love that. That's music to my ears. Now, Nothing OS Beta 3.0, also, you get new quick settings. You get quick settings design, new quick setting design with optimized editing experience, enhanced widget library design, updated visuals and settings, including better network and internet and Bluetooth options. And here's one of my favorites, which we will do extensive testing on: camera improvements. If you're not a longtime subscriber to this channel, you will all know that Nothing has improved upon their cameras more than I think any other cell phone manufacturer. I'm not going to lie to you, they were pretty shitty. When I first got the Nothing Phone 2, it was actually embarrassing how bad it was. And I have videos that I uploaded, you can go check, where I just completely dog them. And then over the months, after each update, after update, after update, the camera quality just kept on getting better and better and better. And now the Nothing Phone 2 is one of my better picture quality taking cameras. I'm absolutely shocked that a company could go from bad camera, bad still photos and bad videos to pretty damn good. Not the best, but pretty freaking good. So camera improvements in this Nothing OS 3.0 beta: faster camera launch speed under the camera widget, reduced HDR scene processing time, optimized portrait effects by fine-tuning blur intensity based on face size, boosted camera performance in low-light environments, and then also improved zoom slider display. Let's see, enhanced pop-up view. Movable pop-up view for cleaner and more productive multitasking. Easier resize the pop-up view by dragging the bottom corners. Pin the pop-up view on the screen edge for quick access. View information without leaving your current app. Simply swipe down on incoming notifications to enter the pop-up view. Enable settings, system, pop-up view. Other improvements: added support for auto archive function to automatically free up storage without space, removing apps or data from your device. Partial screen sharing for more efficient and secure screen recording. Record just an app window rather than the entire screen. Updated setup wizard to version 3.0 for the smoothest introduction of Nothing OS. Enabled predictive back animations for apps that have opted in. New fingerprint animation with signature dot matrix styling. That looks freaking cool. So, what devices is this Nothing Beta 3.0 OS available for? Well, right now, at the moment, just the Nothing Phone 2A is available right now for download. The Nothing Phone 2 will see the Nothing OS 3.0 beta available in November of this year, 2024. It's just next month. The Nothing Phone 1 will see it in December of this year. That's 2 more months. Nothing Phone 2A Plus in December of this year, 2024, and the CMF Phone 1, December 2024. So all these, if you don't have the 2A, and let's say you have the Nothing Phone 2, hold your horses, just be a little more patient. You'll get it shortly, as well as all the other Nothing phones. So how to get involved, how to download and install this. I'm going to make a video on this, a separate video I'm going to upload. I'm about to record right now. How to download and install this on your Nothing Phone 2A. I'm also going to link this in the video description. There is a disclaimer. Obviously, it is a beta version, right? If you have to know what you get into, whether you're getting into the Google Pixel beta or a software program or the iPhone beta program. Know what you're getting into. It's a beta. It's a unreleased, pre-released version of the software. So you might potentially have bugs. Just be aware of that. Don't jump right in. If this is your primary phone, I'm going to send out a warning because I've made this mistake in the past as well. Right? If this Nothing Phone 2A is your primary phone, meaning you use this for everything, it's your main phone. Some people just have one phone, and I get it. I used to at one point. If this is your main phone, you might, I'm going to put a warning out there, you might want to think twice before downloading and installing it, because there's been occasions, and I'm not saying for nothing and for anything, right, on the Pixel or even a Samsung beta. You might not get texts that come in, just weird stuff happens. Your phone might not ring, or call quality, or you might not be able to make a call in an emergency situation. Think twice before you download and install this. This is not my primary phone, although I am using it with a SIM in there. But I have multiple phones, so if this one goes crazy, goes off the deep end, I have another device I can use. But if you get into the beta and it is your primary phone, or maybe it's your second or third phone, but let's just say you want to remove the beta, right? Like you want to roll back. Well, there's also instructions on that. So rolling back to stable software. Now, for you to enroll into this Nothing OS 3.0 beta software, you have to be on software version 2.6, right? You have to be. If you're on 2.5 and you update and you enroll, you're going to brick your phone. So the requirements is a Nothing Phone 2A, and your device has to be on Nothing OS 2.6. Right? Now, to roll it back, let's say you're in the beta and you have some bugs that you can't really live with, so you want to go back to stable version Nothing OS 2.6. It says here, rollbacks are not recommended, as unexpected issues might occur. If you decide to roll back, you must back up all of your data, as the rollback will result in a factory reset. Now, It may be a surprise or a news to some people, but that's pretty common in the beta world, right? Is that if you roll back to a stable build, it's more than likely, I always expect the device to get wiped. So you will wipe your data if you go back to a stable version. All unsaved data will be lost. So what you do is you download the rollback package for Nothing OS 2.6. Right there's a link. Navigate to Settings, System, Update to Beta Version. Tap Import File, select the previously downloaded package, which you just downloaded here, Nothing OS 2.6. Follow these steps to carry through with the rollback. And again, it will wipe your device. So just be aware of that. Got to put that out there. You never know. But that'll do it for now. I want to thank everybody for joining me on today's podcast episode, eSIM Studios podcast, episode number 212. Now, I want to remind everybody, if you did miss a story or you missed part of the show and you want to catch the replay, you can certainly do that on our eSIM Studios YouTube channel. Go to YouTube, type in eSIM Studios, we will show up. Or you can always take us on the go. Every episode, everything I record on this channel, I upload in the audio form as a podcast. So wherever you get your podcast, whether it's Apple Podcasts, whether it's Samsung Podcasts, whether it's iHeartRadio app, whether it's Amazon Music, YouTube Music, any podcast platform, search eSIM Studios, we will show up. Spotify, that's what I was thinking of. We'll show up. Thank you for your time. I really appreciate everybody stopping by. Have a safe and enjoyable afternoon. And as always, I'll see y'all tomorrow. Stay tuned for my video on the how to update the Nothing Phone 2A to Nothing OS 3.0 beta. Peace.